Where the other? Go buy me bread and water. Look for that box when you take money to buy bread and water. I know they say they're hungry and they come here again. Bread and water, pure water. Not till. Okay. Where this boy now? Where the bread and water when I send her? How many hours you want to go? How many hours now? Which kind of thing be this? Let this man self do come collect this motor. Let I see money take chop, enjoy myself this weekend. Which kind of life is this? If I get money in this life, if I get money, do I go take chop, I go chop, kill myself. Drink, enjoy. Hey! Oh, enjoyment. Make some noise. Yes. You see, I'll be flying to England. From England, I will cross over to Japan before I will switch over to the United States. Oh, finally, I've made it. I've bought myself a aeroplane. The first mechanic to buy aeroplane. Oh, make some noise. Private jet, my private jet. Oga.
One man define you.
What is that?
One man define you.
What you define here? Okay, now you the sell come from village. Why you go to from this place where they sleep?
One man define you.
Which man define me? I dey here they sleep my own. You carry your own come meet me here. When I don't date for dream, I don't get money. I dey fly aeroplane. I won't fly go Japan, fly go London, if I don't fly enter 1 feet for London. You dey come wake me up. You be wish. From today, no greet me, no look me. If I greet you, no answer. If you see me, close your eye. If I dey call like this, call like. If I dey call like that. You hear me? If you greet me, I'm going to show you. You be witch. If I go get the goat no my pocket. So go. What kind of problem with this? Person don't dey enjoy. I don't get money. I don't buy aeroplane. I don't dey fly. You carry your poverty come with me. Come put me back inside poverty.